This is Jamal. Jamal likes to do cocaine. Some would say he's addicted, but he would argue with that. But he does wonder where his local drug dealers actually get his cocaine from and how such a fine thing is made. This is done by drug trafficking, one of the most profitable forms of organized crime. But what exactly is drug trafficking? Drug trafficking refers to the illegal production, distribution and sale of substances which are subject to the drug prohibition laws. Drug trafficking is an organized crime that is done by illegal organizations. Trafficking may lead to forfeiture of personal property and real estate by the federal state. The production of drugs varies hugely by what sort of drug it is. There are three different forms of drugs: chemical drugs like amphetamine or LSD, raw plants like mushrooms or cannabis, and even tobacco. The third one is refined plant drugs such as Jamal's favorite, cocaine. As most drugs of course are not that legal, production doesn't take place in factories like it's the case with medicines, which are technically also drugs. Jamal's kind of drugs are produced illegally in any part of the world. It can be a simple household, as well as a giant laboratory in the middle of the jungle. Chemical drugs, for example, can be produced anywhere as long as the required materials are there. Natural drugs, on the other hand, are restricted to the area where they can be planted, since natural drugs are made out of certain parts of plants. That's a quick introduction to drugs. But now to what you and Jamal have been waiting for: cocaine. You see, cocaine is a highly addictive and stimulative drug. It is derived from the leaves of the coca plant, which is native to South America. This is the reason why about 90% of the world's cocaine originates from there, especially from Colombia. The coca plant itself is pretty harmless when compared to the cocaine we know. The people of South America have been using the leaves for thousands of years to make tea with, or to chew on them for simple energy boosts. It is not until the leaves are synthesized that the coca leaves become extremely dangerous to the body and mind. Since cocaine isn't just highly addictive, it is also damaging to the brain and body structure. But Jamal doesn't care about these risks. He just enjoys the euphoria and the immediate increase in physical energy he gets from taking it. The whole process to produce drugs such as cocaine requires a lot of time and work, so it shouldn't be a surprise that the cost of cocaine is rather high. And because the popular drug is as expensive as it is, Jamal is now pretty poor because he spent all his money on cocaine. Now, after learning how dangerous and expensive cocaine is, Jamal wants to rethink his life and get it back together.